So before this video starts, I made a playlist of my old videos, and I put the videos on unlisted so I can make a personal playlist with you guys. So if you guys want to watch my old videos, they're going to be in a separate playlist. They're going to be in a playlist. So yeah, if you want some Liam nostalgia, here's the playlist right here. Okay, let's get to the video. All right, bye.
I seek adventure. I say I'm not afraid. You say you're in love, but you don't even know me. Falling out of it all, don't feel like I belong. I say I'm not afraid to fall, but I don't dare to leave where I feel comfortable. I'm too scared to fly. I'm too scared to try easily. What if I fall? What if I don't make it at all? I'm too scared. I'm so scared to fly. Try my wings and leave. I'm so afraid. I seek adventure. I say I'm not afraid. You say